Hello! Welcome back to another Glass in the Dark video. I'm Paul, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I buy a lot of uranium glass. You've probably guessed by now that I'm completely obsessed with uranium glass, in particular vaseline glass. So I've been buying things for a long time, a lot of years, and I realized that I don't really share all the things that I have coming into my collection. So today I wanted to do some unboxing. Let's find out what's in the box. And here's what we'll be going through today. Where do we start? Okay, so I usually like to start with the smallest box. You know, I like to build up to like the really big surprise. I've been so excited for this. When I saw these go up, I got them immediately. So what have we got? A little seller's note. Thank you, Mary. Oh, this is a pro seller right here, guys. Double box. This glass can be well over 100 years old, and just for somebody to improperly package it and cause it to break during shipping is such a bummer. So I'm really thankful that this seller knows exactly what to do. So beautiful. This was made by Beaumont Glass Works. It was called the Admiral pattern, but it's often referred to as Flora. Don't you worry, I have a little show coming for you in just a moment. You'll be able to see this glass in detail and a blacklight video as well. That's nice. She also even wrote what was on there. Again, the double boxing. This is all from the same seller, so I guess we shouldn't be that surprised. But I can appreciate it. I can give them praise for a job well done. So I'm sure you know this as well, but I'm also a seller, and I generally hang on to this stuff. Ugh. This is the creamer, the spooner, maybe it's the sugar. I know that one of them doesn't have the lid. But that's okay. Persevere and you will find it. Whew, reminds me of some dates that I've been on. Ooh, she's so much bigger. No wonder they said it was the spooner. But if I remember correctly, this should have a lid. But it's really, really beautiful. So, we've saved the best for last. The biggest box. And of course, it's exactly what I collect. But isn't it all? I'm pretty crazy about it. And when you watch the rest of these unboxing videos, you are going to see that I buy a lot of different stuff. Oh no. Packing peanuts. Packing peanuts. I live out in the desert, and packing peanuts are very bad for this environment, and if they can escape the dumpsters, you'll never get them back. They will be out here in the desert until the end of time. we're free of them. Two-piece dish. Oof. Definitely some age cracks. Oh, thank gosh. Thank gosh, the finial is okay, but dang. Well, guess that's what was in the box. What did you think of the video? Did you like it? Should I do it different? Now get ready for a close-up on each one of these pieces. That's all I've got for you today. Thanks so much for watching, but until next time, happy hunting.